A very good morning. Now, JEE Mains both shift examinations have been over, and it's time to now start preparing for JEE Advanced. Now, most of the students throughout their preparation for 11th and 12th have been working hard to prepare for JEE Mains, but have actually spent a very less time for JEE Advanced, and sometimes many students also give up a thought of planning to appear for JEE Advanced. Now, in the last month, if you have qualified your mains examination and are looking to prepare for advanced, what are some quick things that you can do? Now, for the JEE Advanced, we have tried to bring for you a comprehensive section where we have dedicated MCQs which are actually covering only the past papers from the advanced syllabus and similar questions. So you can check out the list of topics that you want to, and you can simply start here and understand the kind of questions which are asked with your JEE Advanced. Now this would give you a comprehensive practice and understanding about what to prepare for and how the questions have to be answered. So this is a guideline to help you understand your preparation for your mains exam, advanced examination. Now for each of the subject, you can simply go on to the different categories and check out the content. So this was a sample from physics. Then you have the same way under which the numerics and the questions are being explained for chemistry, and the same goes for mathematics as well. So just browse through the content, understand the kind of questions which have been asked, and this would give you a real insight and an understanding before you appear for your real examination. So wish you all the best. Also, the lectures have been specifically designed to cater to advanced problems. So if you go on to preview all lectures, you would see the list of lectures, and then when it comes to numericals, you would see the numericals under two heads. So all those which mentions advanced problems are the problems under each chapter which are specifically covering only the questions from JEE Advanced past papers. So this would give you a clear understanding about how to solve the numericals. So I'm just trying to highlight the categories under which these questions have been explained and how you can actually help yourself with understanding the advanced level problems. The same goes for chemistry as well as mathematics. So wish you all the best. Thanks for joining in. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect on the number given. Thank you.